welcome back to my channel and welcome to the very last day of Clean Week day 5. And for day 5 we are doing a kitchen deep clean. And since it's the very last day, I wanted to feature another favorite one of my channels, and that is Jen from Cook, Clean, and Repeat. I absolutely love Jen's channel. She does tons of cooking videos, cleaning videos, lifestyle videos, just like mine. I especially love her weekly dinner video. So once you're done watching my kitchen deep clean, make sure and go check out Jen's. Her video will be linked down below. So the first thing I'm doing is just wiping down my top cabinets and the top of my fridge. I'm going to be cleaning from the top to the bottom.
Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air.
After that, I very sadly don't have a pantry, so I'm just going to be decluttering and reorganizing my food cabinets just a bit.
Can you feel me?
And then I'm gonna start in on wiping down my spice rack and even some of my spices, just giving everything a good wipe down.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by.
I'm then going to remove everything from all of my kitchen counters. I'm going to completely wipe down my counters and all of my backsplash.
Looks like you're changing and all. But why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable.
Start in on cleaning off my stovetop. I'm going to be cleaning everything with my stove, the top, the sides, the inside, the grates, behind my stove, everything.
We've been acting out for days, nothing to deny. Blown up because it goes through the halls. You keep sleeping on the couch.
And I'm just putting my stove grates in some hot soapy water to just sit for a bit to get all the grease and grime off.
Humans spinning in circles, we're fighting for days, stuck in a phase. I think we're losing.
I absolutely hate cleaning my stove. If you hate cleaning your stove too, leave this video a thumbs up.
Bursting out in cold flames, breathing, we are catching fire. Thought that we were wiser. Go and let the match, babe. Miss out on the good days. Breathing, we are catching fire. Treatment ain't no cure, just making it harder. Keep on acting busy on your phone. I just wanna feel your touch, baby, can we stop this? Don't you wanna hold me anymore? Arguments spinning in circles, we're fighting for days, stuck in a phase. I think we're losing the reason. One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold.
then gonna use all my muscles and pull this stove out from its spot. And I couldn't pull this out too far to where you guys could see because this is a gas stove, so there was a gas line, but it was pretty nasty back there. So I just cleaned the sides, the backsplash back there, swept and mopped back there.
Ooh, go and light the match, babe. Miss out on the good days. We're catching fire. One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold flames. Breathe and we are catching fire. Thought that we were wiser. Go and light the match, babe. Miss out on the good days. Breathe and we are catching fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire.
Now that every inch of my stove is clean, I'm gonna start working on my very dirty microwave.
Took some time, but we pointed out that tomorrow isn't here right now, baby. An absent mind came to roam around. Captured you in a foggy cloud, baby. Standing on my toes on the edge, I'm ready to go. See it clear when the shadows are lit, I'm ready to go. I'm taking matters into my own hands now. Let's face it, we only got this life to live out. So follow me, I'm ready to go.
I'm then gonna clean my kitchen window and all around my sink and the windowsill and backsplash surrounding my sink. And I don't think I mentioned, but I'm switching off between Mrs. Meyer's mint scent and LA's Totally Awesome. Then I'm gonna start in on decluttering my shelves a bit and giving them a good clean.
Up and go, baby. The way they think is paradoxical. Captured you in a foggy cloud, baby. Standing on my toes on the edge, I'm ready to go. See it clear when the shadows are lit, I'm ready to go. I'm taking my...
After that, I'm gonna give the walls and doors all a good wipe down in my kitchen.
We only got this life to live out. So follow me, I'm ready to go. I'll take the lead, I'm ready to go.
And then I'm gonna start in on my bottom cabinets finally.
Even if you lose your hope, I will be there to pick you up. Even if you can't let go, I'll untie the invisible ropes that keep you down.
I'm then gonna clean my dishwasher and my fridge. I wish I was strong enough to pull that fridge out to clean behind it, but I'm not. I need my husband home for that and he was not home, so I settled for just cleaning the front of it.
To live out, so follow me, I'm ready to go. I'll take the lead.
I'm next just gonna give those grates a good scrub that we left soaking, and then I'm gonna put them back on the stove.
I'm just gonna close my eyes and pretend that these empty faces talking about problems, I don't care. I can't wait till sundown cause my body's aching. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling.
After that, I'm gonna use some Barkeeper's Friend and I'm gonna give my sink a really good scrub, and then I'm gonna let that Barkeeper's Friend sit on my sink while I give the floor a really good sweep.
Wanna party? Staying out all night, feeling like we're young, acting like tomorrow will never come, counting every moment till the weekend comes. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance, 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 dance.
I'm also gonna give my table and my trash can and the side of my fridge a good wipe down as well. And then I'm gonna rinse that Barkeeper's Friend off, and I'm going to mop my floor. And then that's it. This video concludes Clean Week. If you guys have enjoyed Clean Week, I definitely challenge you to do a Clean Week of your own. If you upload videos, I challenge you to make a Clean Week. If you do, make sure and tag me in your pictures or your videos so I can check it out and see it. And make sure and check out Jen's channel when you're done watching mine. And if you're from Jen's channel, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you would subscribe. So that's it, guys. This is my sparkling clean kitchen, and I will see you guys back here next week for some brand new videos. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye.
Sitting in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party?